Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Chaudhary and we will back with another explanation video about the late code problem solving. Right. So today I have solved three questions. I will just share my screen and I will show you the question. Factorial trailing zeros and second one is the power of xn. Right. So I will start with the first one, factorial trailing zero. So in this question, uh, the description in the description they are mentioning. It is given the one integer n and return the number of trailing zeros in n factorial, right? Not that n factorial means you know that the factorial, right? Factorials means whatever the number we have, we are just reducing minus. We are multiplying, reducing minus one number, right? Till to the one. It's like same. Okay. So what we want to print. So we have a one. We are given the number and we will check with the 3 factorial. 3 factorial means the number is 6. So there are no zero. Okay. So if there are no zero in the results, we are printing 0. If there are 0 in the results, so we printing how many zeros? If there are 1, then we print 1. If there are 2, then we print 2. Like it's like in the factorial results. Uh, you okay. So first you need to convert into the factorial numbers, and you need to find how many zeros are in these results, right? So I have in this my approach is uh, what I take. I know that uh, uh, whenever we are multiplying with the 5 or 0, 10, 10 means it is the factor of 5, right? It is a factor of 5. It's like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 25 has a 2 5, so it has a 2 factor. So so if we are taking the fact, uh, quotient of the 5, if we are taking the quotient of the 5, that is the uh, one part, and another factor is we are dividing we are converting n, and we are we are dividing n with the 5 and store it n, means replace with the n divided by 5, right? So it will check again, and if there are possibility any, it will collect them. And there are one just expression statement that I condition that I have write here. So this condition is telling that if n is greater than or equal to 5, then it will go inside, other else not, right? So it will find a factor of 5. How many factor of 5 are there? Uh, if we have if we need to find the 25 factorials, how many 0 are trailing? So 25 divided 5, it makes 5, right? So there are 5 uh, 5 numbers, and if we're dividing 5 by 5, it means it will give the 1 also. So if we are considering the results, 5 plus 1 means we get the 6. So if we are taking 25 factorial, we will get the uh, results of 6. there are six zeros in 25 factorial side because every 25 there are two factors of 5, right? Like in the 50, 75, 100, and every 125 there are three factors. So we need to take that this also, and we are counting this. We This is the optimized version of the solution, and we can solve by brute force. Like we can uh, given the number, and we run the loop till to the one and convert and counting the zeros, right, and print the results. But it will might be given the error, it will not passing the all test case because the number it's sometimes number are more bigger. So in this case, it will not take because the JavaScript take only the sum of the length of the numbers, right? After it will not considering them. So we need to convert into the big int. So it will take some time, and yeah, proof that always we need to do optimized version of the solution because we want to give the better user experience. How to give the better user experience? If you are doing if your code is optimized, then results takes less time, so it will give the better user experience, right? And second one is the power of xn. So this is a simple one. If we are thinking brute force um, one line code, you can just do like x double multiply and the n. It will give the right result. But we want to the minimum. We want to the results using the recursion. So here the recursion version of. So if we are the x n is a 0, then it will return always 1. If n is 1, it will return the x value, right? And we need to take a two condition. If n is greater than 0 means it's positive value. So what we are doing, we are just dividing into the parts. It's like 2 raised to 5. So how to calculate 2 raised to 5? Instead of multiplying 2 into the 2, multiplying 2 for 5 times, we are dividing into the two parts, or like uh, first part it's a 2 2 and 2 2, and after this result means in the first attempt we are getting the x raised to n by 2, and in the second result we are getting x raised to n by 2. So the results become x raised to n, right? But if the number is uh, odd, so we need to add one more x, right? Because we are not calculate if the number is odd, so we are taking only the uh, one portion of we are neglecting. So in the result we have add this. So and the else part, if this is a -1, then we just return 1 by with the minus. And this is all about the today leet code problem. Thank you so much.